Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Thank you for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to do a live unboxing of the Mecca Beauty Look Box. So this is the look box that comes out 4 times a year. And it is for the Beauty Look members who has achieved level 1, 2 or 3 here in New Zealand for August 2022. So this is my look box. They changed the color of the look box. So they've got this giant lip here. And the color of the boxes is different now. So it's nice to have a change. For my overseas audience, I'll just put the link below for the Mecca website, and you can find out all about shopping at Mecca here in New Zealand and Australia and all the different membership look level benefits. I'm just going to go ahead and just open this box now. So here we go. I have no idea what's in here as I've only just picked this up yesterday. So it's a card. I don't usually read any pamphlet material, so sorry Mecca. I'm not going to bother to read this, sorry. Let's go straight to the goodies. There's a Mecca. I'm going to put on my glasses. This is a Mecca Cosmetica Lip Protectant. That's what they call this. So I'm going to open this. So it is a product by Mecca Cosmetica. All right. So it's like a lip balm by Mecca Cosmetica, as you can see. Beautiful. Yeah, I think this is magnetic. This is actually a magnetic lid. Can you see? Right, let's go. What's this blue thing here? Sunday Riley A+ High Retinoid Serum. I haven't tried any of the Sunday Riley retinol products yet, so I'm quite keen to try this one. So this one I would definitely try this out. There is 5 ml of this product, so this will be good. Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, 1.5 ml. Let's have a look. This is really tight. Travel size, fantastic. Very nice. So clear brow gel. This is for my brows, just to make my brow looks a bit thicker. So let's keep going. Let's just take this. Elise Brooklyn Salt Eau de Parfum. So this is a perfume, 1.5 ml by Alice Brooklyn. I think the name of this perfume is Salt. Very nice. Let's go. Okay. I can see this is Drunk Elephant because I recognize the packaging. So this is Drunk Elephant 0.5% retinol plus ceramide. Maraschino oil. Clear and smooth. Drunk Elephant does has funny names on its products. And this one is called Glowy Maraschino oil. So I think this is a retinol oil. I haven't used any retinol oil products yet. I've used retinol serum and retinol cream. I've heard a lot about retinol oil, them being very good. So this will be good. Again, I can open this product. This is so tight. I mean, it's really cute. Here we are. So this is 3 ml. I'm just going to have a check. I'm really curious. Yeah, you can see. So this is 0.5%, which is medium strength. So I think hopefully my skin can cope with this. So what's this thing here? So that's it. So this is just paper. And DS and Durga. Car, closet, bus, submarine, keep it fresh. It says sniff, so I'm going to have a sniff. So I think this is a room freshener. auto fragrance. Yeah, and I could feel this. So this is a room freshener. So there's a lot of products in my level 3 box this time. I think there's 6 products altogether. 1, room freshener. 2, perfume. 3, the Sunday Riley. 4, Mecca Cosmetica lip balm. Drunk Elephant. Anastasia Beverly Hills Eyebrow Clear Brow Gel. So 6 samples all together in my look box. Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, Retinoid by Drunk Elephant, Mecca Cosmetica Lip Balm, Sunday Riley Retinol Serum, so 2 retinols, Alice Brooklyn perfume, and this one is room diffuser. You can hang this in your cupboard, in your room, in your car. Yeah, thank you so much, Mecca, for all these samples that I could try out, especially the 2 skincare products that I'm really looking forward to trying out. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.